Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing how to access archived or cached web pages in virtually any web browser. Specifically, we're going to be going through Google's search engine. Now, I'm not going to be featuring Yahoo and Ask because I really don't believe they do a good job, to be perfectly honest with you, caching web pages. And some of you guys might be wondering at this point in the video what that means. And that's basically that Google will store an image of whatever you're searching for. Meaning, if you have a website, article, or a link, or a video, or whatnot, and you don't actually want to visit the web page, you can actually visit it through Google's bot, almost, if you want to look at it like that. Meaning, you're not actually visiting the web page itself. Instead, you're visiting a Google backup of the site. So while it's not live, it's definitely good enough if you just wanted to view a web page without actually going on it. It's definitely a lot more secure than visiting an unknown website. But again, I would stress that I would not visit potentially dangerous websites using this tool. But just out of the way, if you did wanted to visit a web page and maybe you wanted to see what it looked like in the past, or maybe it was deleted or it's inaccessible. So this is definitely a nice little feature to know about. So it doesn't matter what web browser you start on. I'm just going to open up Microsoft Edge here. And I am just going to type my YouTube channel, just for example. So underneath whatever you would normally click on for the hyperlink for the web page, if you happen to notice this is my YouTube channel right here, there should be green text right beneath it. And then you should see a little arrow right on the end here, a little drop down arrow. So what you want to do is left click on it, and you see you have two options. One says cached and the other one says similar. You want to left click on the cached option right here, so it should be the top one. If you didn't know better, you would think that you are on YouTube right now, but in reality, you're actually on webcache.googleusercontent.com, meaning you're not actually on YouTube. You're actually visiting YouTube through an archived version of this web page. So it's definitely not as functional as a normal web page. And if you try and click on any other link, there's a very good chance that it will take you out of that archived version. And you can see that basically redirected us to YouTube's URL here, so that we're on YouTube's domain. We're no longer on the web cached domain. So just something nice to know, especially if a website is currently down. It's definitely nice to be able to read an article or something that might have been recently deleted. So just keep that in mind. And as always, I appreciate you guys for checking out this video, and I hope to catch you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.